Okay, we're working on a GP2124 regulator unloader. The problem with the one I have apart here is that it was not going in bypass mode. That's because the backup washer and both backup washers and the O-ring that sits on here broke apart and got lodged in that tiny bypass hole. This assembly, the spring assembly, is as the following. You have your nut, your washer, your spring, your shaft, and then on this shaft you can see it has a groove in there, and that groove, you have a roll pin that goes through it so that thing does not, so the shaft cannot come out. So you have those parts. They go on the top where it says bypass. This is your bypass nipple. Underneath that you have your spring and your ball. And on this side you have a check valve that goes into here. It goes on the side. And that's what it looks like complete. So I'm going to put this back together. Here are all the washers, the backup rings, and the tools that I used are an adjustable crescent wrench, and I'm going to be using a pick. Make sure that you use O-ring lube on these. That's very important, so that it has the motion of the unloader is free and there's no binding of the rubber against the metal. So I'm going to put this back together and I'm going to show you